Good morning, student. This is class 12 math and today's thought is function is the heart of mathematics because in math there is lot of functions, logarithm function, trigonometric function, exponential function, etc. So you can say that function is the heart of mathematics. Now today's date is this is 6th of July 2021. This is miscellaneous exercise or miscellaneous chapter and it is question number 23. If y is equal to e to the power a cos inverse x, if y is equal to e to the power a cos inverse x, where x is like between -1 to 1, then so that 1 minus x square d2y upon dx2 minus x dy upon dx minus a square into y is equal to 0. So firstly, given y is equal to e to the power a cos inverse x. Now taking log both sides. Firstly, taking log both sides, we get what we get. This is log y is equal to log e to the power a cos inverse x, e to the power a cos inverse x. Here this can be written as log y. You know that this is in the form of log m to the power n. Can be written as n log m. So it is a cos inverse x log e. This is basic e to e. Its value is equal to 1. This is like that. So log y is equal to a cos inverse x. Since log base e पे e gives you 1. Now differentiating both sides with respect to x. Differentiating both sides with respect to x. This is 1 upon y dy upon dx is equal to a the constant term a into d by dx of cos inverse x, a into d by dx of cos inverse x. This can be written as dy upon dx is equal to a into y cos inverse x gives you -1 upon under root 1 minus ax square. This gives you -1 upon under root 1 minus x square. So the value of dy upon dx is equal to minus ay upon under root 1 minus ax square. Now squaring both sides, we get what we get? This is dy upon dx whole of square is equal to a square y square upon 1 minus x square. A square y square upon 1 minus x square. This is taking out 1 minus x square here. This is 1 minus x square dy upon dx whole square is equal to a square y square. Now differentiating with respect to x, differentiating equation second with respect to x, we get this is the multiplication of two function. Here this is first function into dy dx of dy upon dx whole square plus dy upon dx whole square into d by dx of 1 minus x square. Here this one is equal to a square is the constant term. Taking out d by dx of y square, it gives you 2y dy upon dx. Means this is a square into 2y dy upon dx. dy upon dx. Now this one is equal to 1 minus x square. This is firstly taking out the power. This is 2 dy upon dx. Again taking out d by dx of dy upon dx. This gives you d2y upon dx plus dy upon dx whole of square, and this gives you d by dx of 1 minus x square gives you 0 minus 2x. 0 minus 2x, and it is all equal to a square into 2y dy upon dx. If you see there, you will get 2 dy upon dx, 2 dy upon dx, and 2 dy upon dx is common from all term. So cancelling out 2 dy upon dx or dividing by 2 dy upon dx, we get what we get? It is 1 minus x square d2y upon dx plus this is minus 2 dy upon dx, cancel out, minus plus minus, this is minus 2 dy upon dx, cancel out. So it is minus x dy upon dx. X minus x dy upon dx. Here 2 dy upon dx is cancel out. It is equal to a square y. Taking out a square y in LHS, you will get 1 minus x square d2y upon dx2 minus x dy upon dx minus a square y is equal to 0. It is proved right now. Thank you, students.